I am handsome I am handsome ខ្ញុំសង្ហា I am beautiful I am beautiful ខ្ញុំស្រស់ស្អាត I am clever I am clever ខ្ញុំឆ្លាត I am strong I am strong ខ្ញុំខ្លាំង ពាក្យ strong យើងអាចប្រែបានពីរថាខ្លាំងឬក៏រឹងមាំ I am great I am great ខ្ញុំអស្ចារ្យ I am pretty I am pretty ខ្ញុំស្អាត I am sad I am sad ខ្ញុំកើតទុក្ខ I am lonely I am lonely ខ្ញុំឯកា I am hungry I am hungry ខ្ញុំឃ្លាន You are ugly You are ugly អ្នកអាក្រក់មើល ពាក្យ ugly នេះសំដៅទៅលើរូបសម្រស់អញ្ចឹងណា មិនស្អាត មិនស្រស់ស្អាត អាក្រក់ You are lazy You are lazy អ្នកខ្ជិល You are messy You are messy អ្នករញ៉េរញ៉ៃ You are fat You are fat អ្នកធាត់ You are stupid You are stupid អ្នកល្ងង់ You are single You are single អ្នកនៅលាវ You are kind You are kind អ្នកចិត្តល្អ He is handsome He is handsome គាត់សង្ហា He is amazing He is amazing គាត់អស្ចារ្យ He is smart He is smart គាត់ឆ្លាត He is rich He is rich គាត់មាន He is tall He is tall គាត់ខ្ពស់ He is thoughtful He is thoughtful គាត់មានគំនិត ពាក្យ thoughtful នេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាវាមានន័យច្រើនមានន័យថាបញ្ជាក់ពីមនុស្សមួយដែលគាត់មានបញ្ញវន្ត មនុស្សមួយដែលមានគំនិតមានពូកែគិតណា She is lovely She is lovely នាងគួរឲ្យស្រឡាញ់ She is happy She is happy នាងរីករាយ She is fantastic She is fantastic នាងប្លែកអស្ចារ្យ She is wonderful She is wonderful នាងអស្ចារ្យ She is beautiful She is beautiful នាងស្រស់ស្អាត She is funny She is funny នាងកំប្លែង She is gorgeous She is gorgeous នាងស្រស់ស្អាតឆើតឆាយ She is pregnant She is pregnant នាងមានទម្ងន់ It is bright It is bright វាមានពន្លឺ It is heavy It is heavy វាធ្ងន់ It is green It is green វាពណ៌បៃតង It is small It is small វាតូច It is good It is good វាល្អ It is attractive It is attractive វាទាក់ទាញ We are rich We are rich ពួកយើងមាន We are confident We are confident ពួកយើងជឿជាក់ ពាក្យ confident យើងអាចប្រែថាជឿជាក់ឬក៏ក្លាហាន We are different We are different ពួកយើងមិនដូចគ្នាទេ We are important We are important ពួកយើងសំខាន់ We are healthy We are healthy ពួកយើងសុខភាពល្អ We are serious We are serious ពួកយើងហ្មត់ចត់ We are intelligent We are intelligent ពួកយើងមានប្រាជ្ញា They are available They are available ពួកគេអាចរកបាន They are poor They are poor ពួកគេក្រ They are helpful They are helpful ពួកគេមានចិត្ត ឬក៏យើងអាចបកមកទៀតថាពួកគេចិត្តបានមនុស្សដែលអាចជួយយើងបានណាអាហ្នឹងគេហៅថា helpful They are responsible They are responsible ពួកគេមានទំនួលខុសត្រូវ They are powerful They are powerful ពួកគេមានអំណាច They are hungry They are hungry ពួកគេឃ្លាន Umang is famous Umang is famous Umang ល្បី Maria and Daniel are friendly Maria and Daniel are friendly My brother is angry My brother is angry បងប្រុសខ្ញុំខឹង Her husband is safe Her husband is safe ប្តីគាត់មានសុវត្ថិភាព The soup is hot The soup is hot ស៊ុបក្តៅ Andy is ready for exam Andy is ready for exam Andy រួចរាល់សម្រាប់ការប្រឡង This answer is wrong This answer is wrong ចម្លើយនេះគឺខុស I am a student I am a student ខ្ញុំជាសិស្ស I am a dentist I am a dentist ខ្ញុំជាពេទ្យធ្មេញ I am an accountant I am an accountant ខ្ញុំជាគណនេយ្យករ I am a teacher I am a teacher ខ្ញុំជាគ្រូបង្រៀន I am a playboy I am a playboy ខ្ញុំជាក្មេងអ្នកលេង You are a boy You are a boy អ្នកជាក្មេងប្រុសម្នាក់ You are my girlfriend You are my girlfriend អ្នកជាមិត្តស្រីរបស់ខ្ញុំ You are an engineer You are an engineer អ្នកជាវិស្វករ You are a police You are a police អ្នកគឺជាប៉ូលីស You are a man You are a man អ្នកគឺជាមនុស្សប្រុស You are my friend You are my friend អ្នកជាមិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ He is an artist He is an artist គាត់ជាវិចិត្រករ He is my teacher He is my teacher គាត់ជាគ្រូរបស់ខ្ញុំ He is my boyfriend He is my boyfriend គាត់ជាមិត្តប្រុសរបស់ខ្ញុំ He is an astronaut He is an astronaut គាត់ជាអវកាសយានិក He is our neighbor He is our neighbor គាត់ជាអ្នកជិតខាងរបស់ពួកយើង She is a politician She is a politician នាងជាអ្នកនយោបាយ She is your ex-girlfriend She is your ex-girlfriend នាងជាសង្សារចាស់របស់អ្នក She is my mom She is my mom គាត់ជាម្ដាយរបស់ខ្ញុំ She is a shop owner She is a shop owner នាងជាម្ចាស់ហាង She is my wife She is my wife នាងជាប្រពន្ធរបស់ខ្ញុំ It is a dog It is a dog វាគឺជាឆ្កែមួយ It is my pen It is my pen វាជាប៊ិចរបស់ខ្ញុំ It is a ruler It is a ruler វាជាបន្ទាត់ It is a car It is a car វាជាឡាន It is a magazine It is a magazine វាជាទស្សនាវដ្តី Mekara is an accountant Mekara is an accountant មករាគឺជាគណនេយ្យករ Chow Chow is my classmate Chow Chow is my classmate Chow Chow ជាមិត្តរួមថ្នាក់របស់ខ្ញុំ My father is a farmer My father is a farmer ឪពុកខ្ញុំជាកសិករ We are Cambodians We are Cambodians ពួកយើងគឺជាជនជាតិខ្មែរ We are roommate We are roommate ពួកយើងជាមិត្តរួមបន្ទប់ We are polices We are polices ពួកយើងជាប៉ូលីស We are students We are students ពួកយើងជាសិស្ស We are explorer We are explorers ពួកយើងជាអ្នករុករក They are good friends They are good friends ពួកគេជាមិត្តល្អ They are soldier They are soldiers ពួកគាត់ជាទាហាន They are businessmen They are businessmen ពួកគេជាអ្នកជំនួញ They are siblings They are siblings ពួកគេជាបងប្អូនបង្កើត They are neighbors They are neighbors ពួកគាត់ជាអ្នកជិតខាង Mark and Jake are Americans Mark and Jake are Americans Mark និង Jake គឺជាប្រជាជនអាមេរិក Your parents are doctors Your parents are doctors ឪពុកម្ដាយរបស់អ្នកគឺជាវេជ្ជបណ្ឌិត អញ្ចឹងអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាបានមើលរួចហើយនៅសំណាងប្រយោគនិងឧទាហរណ៍ដែលតាក់ទងទៅនឹង to be បូកជាមួយ noun អញ្ចឹងបើសិនជាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាមានចម្ងល់នៅលើមេរៀននេះអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាអាច comment សួរបាននៅខាងក្រោមអរគុណច្រើនយើងនឹងមើលបន្តទៀតនៅវីដេអូក្រោយជម្រាបលា